Hey y'all, let's make this green seasoning all natural, all flavorful for your meats and vegetables. So let's get into the video. So for this you're going to need onions, green onions, ginger, some rosemary. We won't use all of that. We'll need cilantro, parsley. These are all fresh, and then we're going to need a regular onion, and then a scotch bonnet, habanero, whichever one you have. We're going to need garlic. We're going to need bell peppers. We're going to need some fresh thyme as well, and then we're going to add some water with vinegar here, salt, and a little bit of sugar. So first we're going to wash all these ingredients since they are all fresh herbs and spices, and we're going to peel our garlic and our ginger, and then we'll be right back after we've washed them in some salt water. So this is my bowl. So I'm going to be taking half of our cilantro and then half of our parsley. So I'm just going to use half and half here for this recipe. You can use the whole depending on how much you have. And then we're going to be cutting our heads of our onion, so you can replant these if you have the space around the back. So you just cut these off like this, and then you just replant them. We're going to do the same thing for this one, and then we're going to wash them all. So let's cut these off. So we can go for the next time, and we'll be right back. Then we're just gonna cut the heads of these like this. This is the onion here, and then we're going to peel, or you can use a spoon. I'm just gonna use a knife here for our ginger like this. Then we move on to the garlic. You can just press it with your knife or with your hand, and then remove the peels or the skin like this. See? I mean, I'm sure there's a simpler way, but this is easier for me. So just like that, you get that excess portion off, because since we're gonna wash all of these before we make our seasoning, our green seasoning. So you just do that for the remainder, and it should be easy to come off some. Then this is our onion. So let's see here. Just put this down, and then you just peel the skin off like this. Anyway, let's get this side too. All the way off. Then we're just gonna take some of this, just like 2 stalks of rosemary. Then we're just going to take some fresh thyme as well, and we're just going to use about this amount here. Let's put a little bit more here, because this one gives it a nice flavor. And so now we're going to wash all of our ingredients. You're just gonna sprinkle some salt and use it to wash your vegetable. See how brown the water is, so it is important that, let me make sure you can see well, it is important that you wash your vegetable from the store, because look at the color of this water. So you just cut these in 4, like so. And then we're going to remove the seeds from our bell pepper. So just take these out, like so. And we're ready to go. So now we're going to put everything in our blender, and yeah, I know my blender is used, this blender is used for seasonings, so hence the color. And then we're going to be taking off the main stems of our rosemary. So you just want these little guys, if you guys can see. I have taken off the very main stem, so we're just gonna break them off like this, so you have a clean stick when you're done, like so, right? And then so see, I put my rosemaries in. I'm going to be adding my garlic. Then we can put our scallion in. Seems like we're gonna have to do this in 2 batches, but this is the concept here. Let me bring you up so you can see some more here. And then I'm going to put my pepper in, right? To add about a teaspoon of sugar. And then about the same amount of, about a tablespoon of vinegar. So we can blend, and then we're going to put a little bit of water, about a teaspoon or a tablespoon, and then a little bit of salt, and then we're going to be blending. So now I'm putting in some more of my cilantro. So let's blend these. Let's see. And look, this is the finished product, and I'm making making a mess. Talk about eye burning. Yeah, this is what's happening from all the seasoning here. I'm trying to get it in so you don't have a mess. But this is the finished product. It will make your meat and even your vegetable taste so good. So you can see here, you just rub it on it and let it marinate, and that's the goodness you get from your green seasoning. We thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see here, remember to subscribe, turn on that notification so you do not miss anything, share with your family and friends, and we will see you on the next video. Take care and be safe. Bye.